Okay, here we go. I'm noticing that we're dry up here, but we are leaking out of the bottom. That's actually coming from right in here. You can see the water down inside of that. That tells me the shaft seal is leaking. Possibly the impeller is busted or melted. So let's take a look. I'm thinking more that the impeller's melted. You can see this pipe is very discolored, brown, which indicates that it got very hot. Also, this one up here is brown. And this pipe, you can see there's a bow in it. So all of this got really hot. Usually that's an indication it ran out of water. And oftentimes it'll cause the impeller to melt. Let's take a look. Okay, just pulled the impeller off and it's completely shot. You can see the big gap around this. So, yeah, it should fit in there snug. And there's a lot of room all the way around it. Yep, we're gonna need a new one.